Good morning, all. Hi, good morning. Okay, so what we are going to study today? Yes, the next alphabet. What is it? The alphabet F. We are going to study the alphabet F. You have already studied alphabet F. Yes, that is capital alphabet F. See, yes, you have studied it already. This one, capital F. Yes, now we will study the small f. We will study the small f. Okay, children? Yes. Now, small f, how you write it? Yes, it looks same like a capital F. Bit different is there. Okay, little bit different is there. Okay, you have to make a curved line and make a slipping line. That's it. You have to make one curve, then a straight line, then a slipping line. Yes, so that is small alphabet F. Okay, children? Okay, so shall we meet the friends of alphabet F? Shall we meet the friends of alphabet F? Okay, so let's meet the friends of alphabet F. Okay, so whom you can see here? Yes, F, right? What is it there, children? F has a sound of F. What is it? F has a sound of F. Okay, so all these pictures you can see here, they had the sound of F. Right? All the pictures, यहाँ पे जितने सारे pictures है, they have a sound of F. Okay, so let's start. What is it, children? Flower. It is a flower. F is for flower. F is for flower. What is it? Yes, it is a fish. It is a fish. So F is for fish. See, children, as I told you, F has a sound of F. Fish also has a sound of F. F is for fish. Okay. Yes. What is it? See? Frog. Yes, you see frog during rainy season, right? बारिश में दिखते हैं ना frogs. देखे आप लोगों ने? Yes, it's raining, so you can see the frogs. Yes, so green colored frogs. Okay, so F is for frog. Read with me. F is for frog. Okay. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. It's a bird, children. Flamingo is a bird. Yes. F is for flamingo. Okay. You can see this bird mostly near the water bodies like ponds, river. Okay. You can see this bird over there. Okay. Now what is it? F is for fly. F is for fly. Yes, near about the grass you can see these flies, right? F is for fly. Okay, so what we have learned? F is for flower. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flamingo. F is for fly. Okay, children? Yes. Now, what we are going to do? I'm going to taught you one song of F. Song of a F. Okay? Let's sing the song. Okay? Okay. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Frankie and Freddy are friends. See, it? It's a Frankie. It's a Freddy. And they both are friends. They both are friends. Yes. So, Frankie and Freddy are friends. Okay. Frankie is a fish. Sing the song with me. Frankie is a fish. Freddy is a frog. Frankie is a fish. Freddy is a frog. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Yay! You liked it? Yes. So we will sing it further. Frankie and Freddy are waving flags. See? Frankie and Freddy are waving flags. What they doing? They are waving the flags. See the flags in their hand. You can see the flags in their hand. So, Frankie and Freddy are waving flags. Frankie, Freddy, flags. Frankie, Freddy, flags. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Okay, so next what happens now? Frankie and Freddy are playing football. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing football. Frankie and Freddy are playing footballs. See? See? The Frankie, the Freddy and football. Frankie and Freddy are playing footballs. Frankie, Freddy, football. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Yes, you liked it? Yes. Further. Frankie and Freddy watch fireworks. See children, fireworks. You can see the fireworks. Yes. During Diwali, we burn them, right? Yes, we burn the firecrackers. So it's a fireworks. Frankie and Freddy watch fireworks. Frankie and Freddy watch fireworks. Frankie, Freddy, fireworks. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Frankie and Freddy are friends. Yes. So children, whom do you meet? You meet the Frankie. You met the Freddy. You met the football. You met the flag. You met the fireworks. Right? So you like the song. Okay. So children, it was alphabet F. Okay. Now today in this session we will have little bit of revision. Okay. Whatever we have studied yet. अभी तक जो पढ़ा उसका थोड़ा सा रिवीजन करेंगे. Okay. Yes. Read it with me. We have studied these alphabets. Which are these alphabets? Read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? So we have studied these alphabets. Now we are going to have some revision work on it. Okay? Yes. What you have to do, you have to circle the object that begins with the given letter. Okay? So, आपको क्या करना है? जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो लेटर यहाँ पे दिया है उससे स्टार्ट होता है उसको सर्कल करना है. You have to circle it. Okay? So, help me children. Okay, let's start doing it. Yes. Now, tell me, what is it children? Yes, this is alphabet A. Okay. Now tell me children, which object starts with alphabet A? Tell me. Okay. We have to circle it. What is this children? Frog. Does it starts with alphabet A? No. What is it? Ant. Yes. A has a sound of A. So A is for ant. So you have to circle it. Right? Okay. See the next. What is this? Which alphabet is it? It is B. Okay. So now tell me. What is this children? Yes, it is ball. So B has a ball starts with a B. Yes, B is for ball. Yes. And what is this children? Elephant. So elephant do not begin with the B. Elephant B से start होता है. No, B is for ball. Now see, what is it? C. C is for, tell me children, what is this? Duck. C is for duck. No. What is this? Car. C is for car. Yes, C is for car. Yes, very good. Next is D. Next alphabet is D. Now, what is it, these children? Drum. It is drum. So, D is for drum, children. Yes. Yes, D is for drum. And what is this, children? Apple. So, D is for apple? No. Yes, it is. A is for apple, right? Okay. So, go to the next alphabet. It is E. It is E. Now, which object has a beginning sound of E? Yes, E has a sound of A, right? E has a sound of A, as I told you. So, what is this? Egg. It is a egg. And this is a cat. E is for egg, children. Yes. E is for cat. No. Yes. Okay. Now, what is this, children? F. What is this? F. What is this? It's a bread. So, F is for bread, children? No. This is fairy. F is for fairy. F is for fairy, children. Yes. So, circle it. Okay. Yes. So, in this way, you have to identify the right object which has those particular sound. Okay. Now, see. Please name the given object. This is the next worksheet. Okay. Please name the given object and circle the letter that it begins with it. Okay. Same you have to do it. You have to identify the. Now what you have to do? You are not have to identify the picture now. You have to identify the alphabet. Correct alphabet आपको बताना है. ठीक है? Now tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a flower. This is a flower. Okay. So, which alphabet has a flower starts with which alphabet, children? It starts with A or F. F is for flower, right? Okay. Now see. What is this, children? Cow. It is a cow. So, D is for cow, children. No. C is for cow. So you have to circle C. Okay. Now look at this. What is it? Balloon. What is it? Balloon. So B is for balloon. Yes, B is for balloon. Okay. Now what is this, children? Yes, what is this? Engine. What is it? Engine. So C is for engine. No. E is for engine. Yes. So you have to circle the right alphabet, that is E. Okay. Now what is this, children? Anchor. What is it, children? Anchor. So D is for anchor. No. A is for anchor. Read with me. A is for anchor. Okay. Now see, what is it? Yes, you know that. Fish. Fish. So what is it, children? F. F is for fish. Yes, F is for fish. Okay. Now what is this? Basket. What is it? Basket. So B is for basket. Yes, B is for basket. Okay. So we have to circle it. What is this, children? Dog. What is it? Dog. So E is for dog. No. D is for dog. So we have to circle D. What is this, children? Ant eater. It is a ant eater. Okay. So ant eater has a sound of A. A is for ant eater. Yes, A is for ant eater. Okay. Next. What is this, children? Caterpillar. Yes, we have studied this. Yes, this is a revision. Caterpillar. So, C is for caterpillar. Yes, C is for caterpillar. Okay. So, we have did all the revision. Okay, children. So, you understood it? Yes. Our session is over. Meet you in the next session. Bye-bye.